This is a four-step process of how to make money online. Let's begin. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you have a business idea, but you don't know how to get sales, or you have a business been around, but you're not getting consistent sales, or worse, you're watching your sales decline month over month. You're spending money on ads, but not getting a return, or worse, you're posting on social media and you're not getting any sales, and you're all that time and effort. Oh my God, I hate the social media game. Or you rely on referrals or word of mouth, but it's inconsistent and it's not really a way to grow your business. And lastly, you're wasting time attending events. So this is my four-step process of how to make money online. These are the four things that you need. You need paid ads, a funnel, a really good offer, a CRM, and that's how you can start getting consistent sales online. Let's break it down. So the first thing, whenever I take on a new client, you have to know who your competition is. What offers are they running? Where are they getting their traffic? What are they posting on social media? You want to know everything about what they're offering so that you can study it, so that you can enter the market at the same level or better. If you don't know your competition, you don't know how to enter a market at the end of the day, or you're going to enter blind and waste months and thousands of dollars on ads and waste time on social media content and not get anywhere. So study your competition is the first thing I say. Second is you need to structure your business like a value ladder. You can't just come in and just say, "Hey, buy my product right now." It's like a stranger coming up to you and saying, "Hey, do you want to get married?" There's no trust. They don't know who you are. They don't know. People want to build trust over time. So you want to structure your business using the value ladder. Offer something free, then low ticket, then high ticket. That's the way those are the three things that you're going to need at the end of the day. Then you definitely need to be running paid ads. Can't be relying on social media and posting content. It's an inconsistent way of getting traffic to your funnel or your landing page so that you could test your offer. You need it's like a science experiment. You need a consistent amount of traffic that you could get from either Google, Facebook, or Instagram. You're going to spend X amount of ideally minimally like $1,000 every month, like minimally is what you're going to be doing, or giving that towards paid ads so you get consistent amount of high quality traffic to your funnel. Then you could test your offer, and then you could test your product or sales from there. You need to know your conversion rate. So say for example, a landing page has 1,000 visitors and 20 people make a purchase. So if you take 20 over 1,000, multiply that by 100. I hate math, don't worry. There's programs that do this automatically. That means a 2% conversion. So there's two conversions. One is from the ads. What's the conversion rate from the ads going over to your landing page? And second is the conversion from your landing page, either getting a sale or getting a lead. So you need to know those two numbers so that you could try and beat your score at the end of the day. Every business is different, but you need to know your conversion rate to see how is your offer. Is it compelling in the market? Next, your website is not generating traffic. If you have a Wix website, Squarespace, or GoDaddy, or any of those, you are wasting money. You're guaranteed you won't make any sales. Even if Shopify store is hard to send traffic to and just try and generate sales, you need a funnel at the end of the day. A funnel just has one offer with a video sales letter, just like this, on the landing page, and one action that you could test. So you can see if you send 100 people to this landing page and they all click the button, then you can test to see what was the conversion on it. Then you could try and improve it with a better offer, better pricing, better video sales letter. Mostly it's the offer and the pricing are the two things that you're going to be changing, but you need to have a funnel. There's two levers that you could mainly improve in a business, is your offer and your pricing. So this is a really good offer. You have a real offer up here, video sales letter, and then for one price, look at all the things that you're getting. This is an example of a great offer. And then you could test it using a landing page so you can see how many people say yes to this offer. Here's another really good offer. Discover how to read 300% faster and more effective in 21 days. Pricing, video sales letter, they all follow the same structure. So if you have a Shopify store, or you're sending traffic to a website and you're wondering why you're not getting sales, this is why you need to structure it to make it very easy for the customer to take the next action and to know what they're getting. Lastly is the CRM. This is the powerhouse of your business because most of the sales won't be done that same day. Most of them are going to be done over the next 7 days, 30 days, or 60 days. And this is what's going to help you continuously follow up and build a relationship, build trust with your customers so that over time you could close more sales at the end of the day. There's many elements to of your CRM, but it's your powerhouse. It's doing the email marketing, it's doing the funnels. It's pretty much going to give you a sales pipeline to organize all your sales, all your leads, and tracking them where they are at the different stage so that you could close and manage more deals. And then you get a nice sales dashboard so you can see month over month how is the performance of your business. So the CRM is going to be pretty much the heart of your business. If you like a free marketing plan, click the link below and we can evaluate your business, where you are, and give you the 4-step breakdown of paid ads, the funnel, the offer, and the technology that you need to start scaling your business against sales online. I'm Jonathan Acuna. Click the link below for a free marketing plan. Lastly, I want you to meet Junior, who's been one of my clients for 4 years, and you see how using this system has improved his business.
Jonathan just took everything to the next level. I mean, it was so incredible that right now it's the 14th of the month. Rent's paid, car's paid, everything's paid, utilities are paid, everything's paid. Everything in our business is paid. And now from the 14th on, it's just 100% profit. This is the kind of thing that Jonathan can do for you. He did it for us. We're eternally grateful. We value his partnership, and we have nothing but praise.